Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave appointment letters to around 71,000 newly inducted recruits in the central government through video conference today. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman yesterday participated in the Global Sovereign Debt Roundtable (GSDR) meeting along with Managing Director of International Monetary Fund Kristalina Georgieva and President of World Bank David Malpass. Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Police Preston Tinsong on Wednesday said the vacancies in the police department will be filled up within this year. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong informed that the state government held a review meeting on April 12 to oversee the preparations of the G20 meeting on space, which will be held in Shillong on April 17 and 18. India's International Aviation Safety Assessment rating will continue to remain in Category 1 as the country meets the international standards for aviation safety oversight.